Hey you guys, I'm back with another video and I'm doing a product review on Self Lender. I know you guys are wondering, is it really worth it? Does it really boost your credit scores? Well, I've been talking about Self Lender for a long time, since 2018. It really does boost your credit scores 30 points or more within 30 days or less. This is my #1 credit builder. And one of the #1 reasons that I recommend it is you can sign up today for just $9. If you use the link in my description, and I'll link it somewhere here above, you can sign up and start boosting your credit for just $9 right now. It does not require you to have a minimal credit score. You don't have to pay a ridiculous amount. You literally can sign up right now. If you got bad credit or you need to boost your credit scores because you don't have any credit established, click the link right now and sign up for Self Lender. Now, you sign up for $9. They pretty much have 3 main payment options that I would suggest. You can sign up for $25, $35, or $48 a month. So the way that this account works is it's called Self Lender because you're lending money to yourself. So if you sign up for the $25 plan, you're going to pay $25 a month each month, and at the end of the term of that plan, you're going to get all of your money back, which comes out to roughly about $500. So every dollar you put in, you're automatically going to get back. So it's not like your money is just going to the company. So that's the first thing. You sign up for $9, it'll report within the first 30 days, and it'll boost your credit scores 30 points or more. Another great thing that I love is that they actually do have an app. The app is super easy to understand. They let you know when your scores have boosted. You can set up auto pay. They'll let you know after 90 days. This is another great thing. After 90 days, they will actually offer you a secured credit card, which will also start to report on your credit and additionally help you boost your credit scores some more. So you're going to sign up for $9. You're going to get a 30-point credit boost. Then after 90 days of paying on time, they're going to offer you a secured credit card, which can essentially boost you up another 20 to 30 points. And you're establishing positive credit. You now have 2 positive accounts reporting on your credit, showing that you're paying them on a regular basis. You're keeping up with your payments. And now that you have that secured credit card on there, once you get in the 600s, you can actually apply for your own credit card where a company will give you a credit limit, because guess what? Now you have some type of credit card on there showing, hey, this company already lent me some credit, so you can lend me some too, and I'll pay you back as well. So Self Lender is a triple threat. You saving your money, boosting your credit scores, getting a secured credit card just further push you along to get approved for your own approvals. So once you're in the 600s, you have to have at least a 600 credit score. No charge-off accounts, which is like old credit card debt, auto loans, personal loans, stuff like that. Minimum inquiries. Now, you've been pushed to where you can now apply for your own credit card. I would suggest you get one with Navy Federal. If you don't already have a Navy Federal bank account, get the description below, because I give you the information so you can call in and open a free account with them, even if you're not a member of the military. So don't miss out on that opportunity, but sign up for Self Lender today. It is going to take your credit to the next level, and it's going to be the first step for you getting your credit back on track. And let's say you have some negative accounts. You have some collections you need to remove. You got an old medical bill eviction. No worries. I can help you remove that. Just join my class that I teach every Tuesday night at 7:30 Central PM, and I will pull your credit report. I'll let you know, hey, you should add Self Lender, hey, you shouldn't. I will let you know what accounts that are currently reporting that you need to dispute and remove. All my ebooks are in the class. I give you all the letters. I show you how to fill it out so you can mail out your dispute letters to the credit bureaus. And I have a live group chat to take you through the steps of fixing your credit and allow you to ask me questions at any time throughout your journey. So join my D.I.Y class that I host every Tuesday. You won't be sorry. Make sure you sign up for Self Lender. And until next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.